Upcoming episode of Sony TV's popular daily soap ये उन दिनों की बात है up for some high voltage drama. Thunderstorm spoils Sameera and Naina's wedding preparation. Sameera and Naina's happiness does not seem to last for long, as here Sameera and Naina's all wedding preparations are done. All are happy as Rakesh has joined the celebration and Sameer has made as possible anyhow. Here Naina is much happy and things are going well, but soon the thunderstorm strikes and spills water over all the preparation. Sameera and Naina's wedding turns trouble. Naina and Sameer's wedding lands in trouble as here the thunderstorm ruins all, and Anand and Rakesh are now tense for the preparation. Anand is tense as how if any fault will happen in the wedding, the Maheshwaris will taunt them again, and he does not want this to happen. So what do you feel about this? Keep watching our channel TV Primetime for more such exciting updates and upcoming twists.